Xfinity XB8 Bridge Mode setup. So first of all, you're gonna have to install the Xfinity app and pretty much just connect your router. Then you should be able to find it in the app itself. So once you're done with the process, you should be able to find this, which is View Wi-Fi Equipment. Inside View Wi-Fi Equipment, you're gonna have to press on Advanced Settings. Inside Advanced Settings, scroll down until you find the Admin Tool Online Access. So we can proceed to the next step, which is going to be done in the browser. So again, Admin Tool Online Access, and just toggle this on. As you can see, just pretty much just toggled, and then go ahead to your browser and type this in: http://10.0.0.1, which should look something like this. Just type it in your preferred browser and then press on enter. You'll be able to enter your gateway and then your login. If you're wondering what your login is, it's usually at the bottom of your router, or just base it on your router as the default username and password. Go ahead and type that in over here and press on log in, and then in your dashboard, go ahead into gateway, go to at a glance, and then you'll find the bridge mode option. Make sure this is enabled, and then that's pretty much it. You go ahead to your router and focus on the slot in the bottom right corner, which is the XB8 Ethernet port, the one with the red line usually, and then you can use this thing over here, which is an Ethernet cable. So hopefully this helps. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.